Today we're going to work on vertical and horizontal lines. Vertical lines are lines that go up and down. Horizontal lines are lines that go across. We're going to start with vertical lines. A vertical line is written in the form of x equals a. A can be any number, and that is where the line crosses the x-intercept. So if you look at the vertical line shown, you notice that it is on the x-axis of 3. See how x equals 3 right here? So you write x equals 3. If it is a vertical line, it will never have a y in it. See how it never touches the y-axis? Therefore, there's never a y in the equation. Looking at the horizontal line. A horizontal line is written in the form of y equals a, where a represents the line's intercept. Again, a can be anything. So let's look on where the line crosses the y-axis. See how it crosses at -1? So I write y equals -1. Because there is no x-intercept, there is no x. This has a 0 slope. Let's look at some. Number 1, this is up and down. This is a vertical line. Remember, vertical lines are always x equals. So in this case, what does x equal? This is 0, -1, -2. X equals -2. Number 2, this is a horizontal line, so it's going to be y equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Y equals 3. Last one, for number 3, is also a horizontal, so it's y equals, you start at 0, go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I went down, it is -5. Okay. You guys take a break and try number 4, 5, and 6 by yourself. For number 4, this is a horizontal, for number 4, it is a vertical line, so it should be x equals, and it is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is going up and down. See how it's nice and thick right here? So that is going to be an x equals, and it is actually on 0. This one is going to be y equals 2. Please make sure you come and see me if you have any questions. Let's flip it over to the back. Now I want you to graph horizontal and vertical lines. Looking at number 7, this is a horizontal line because there's just y equals. So find where y equals 5, y equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to put a line right through there, or don't forget your arrows. All right, looking at x equals -1, here is 0, -1, go up, go down. Okay. Number 3 is x equals 3. Where does x equal 3? X equals 3 right here, and I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go down. Y equals -2 right here. I know that y equals is a horizontal line. Y equals 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go straight across. All right. X equals -7. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Again, I know that this line is up and down because it is at x equals. Let's answer some questions here. It wants to know, what is the slope of y equals 4? Well, what number is before the x? Notice there is no x, so this has a 0 slope. Okay. What is the slope of x equals -2? Well, x equals -2 is up and down. What do I know the slope is if my line is up and down? And that should be undefined. 15, what is the slope of x equals 0? Again, this is up and down, so it's also undefined. anything that is y equals is going to have a 0 slope. Anything that is x equals is going to have an undefined slope. So, which axis is y equals -1 parallel to? Well, y equals -1 is a horizontal line, so it's going to be parallel to your x-axis. All right. Which axis is x equals 4 parallel to? Well, x equals 4 is a vertical line. It's going to be parallel to the y-axis. All right, so let's compare. What does y equals 3 differ from y equals 3x? So let's graph both of those real quick. On the first one, I'm going to do y equals 3. 1, 2, 3. You know that y equals gives you a horizontal line. And then over here, I'm going to graph y equals 3x. Well, here my m is going to be 3 over 1, and my b is 0. So start at 0, go up 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. If you look, the two graphs are very, very different. So please make sure that you're paying attention and you can differentiate the two.